We all have a unique genetic makeup that determines our physical traits, personality, and even our susceptibility to certain diseases. But what about our financial traits? Can our genes play a role in our wealth and financial success? Some researchers believe that they can. They refer to this as the wealth DNA code, and it suggests that our genes may influence our financial behaviors and ultimately our financial success. The concept of the wealth DNA code suggests that certain genetic traits and predispositions may influence our financial behavior. For example, some people may be genetically predisposed to be more risk-averse, while others may have a greater appetite for risk-taking. Similarly, some people may have a genetic predisposition towards delayed gratification and long-term planning, while others may be more impulsive and focused on short-term gains. Research in this field is still in its early stages, but some studies have already suggested a link between genetics and financial behavior. For example, a study conducted by researchers at the University of California found that a specific gene called the dopamine D4 receptor gene, DRD4, was associated with financial risk-taking. Another study conducted by researchers at the University of Bristol found that a gene called FTO was associated with impulsive spending behavior. So, can we use this knowledge to our advantage and rewire our wealth DNA code for greater financial success? While it's not possible to change our genes, it may be possible to become more aware of our genetic predispositions and use this knowledge to improve our financial behaviors. For example, if you're someone who is genetically predisposed towards risk aversion, you might be more comfortable with conservative investment strategies. On the other hand, if you're someone who is genetically predisposed towards risk-taking, you might be more comfortable with higher risk investments. Similarly, if you're someone who is genetically predisposed towards impulsive spending behavior, you might benefit from creating a budget and sticking to it. On the other hand, if you're someone who is genetically predisposed towards delayed gratification and long-term planning, you might benefit from creating a long-term financial plan and investing for the future. Of course, our financial behaviors are not solely determined by our genetics. Environmental factors such as upbringing, education, and socioeconomic status also play a significant role. However, by becoming more aware of our genetic predispositions, we can make more informed decisions about our financial behaviors and ultimately increase our chances of financial success. In conclusion, the concept of the wealth DNA code suggests that our genetic makeup may influence our financial behaviors and ultimately our financial success. While research in this field is still in its early stages, it's important to be aware of our genetic predispositions and use this knowledge to improve our financial behaviors. By doing so, we can increase our chances of financial success and create a brighter financial future for ourselves and our families. The concept of the wealth DNA code is still in its early stages, and more research is needed to fully understand the link between genetics and financial behavior. However, becoming more aware of our genetic predispositions can be a useful tool in improving our financial behaviors and increasing our chances of financial success. So, take some time to reflect on your financial behaviors and consider how they may be influenced by your genetics. Are you more risk-averse or risk-taking? Are you more impulsive or focused on long-term planning? Once you understand your genetic predispositions, you can begin to make more informed decisions about your finances. Remember, while genetics may play a role in our financial behaviors, they are not the only factor. Education, upbringing, and environmental factors also play a significant role. By combining our knowledge of our genetic predispositions with sound financial planning and practical steps towards our financial goals, we can unlock our full potential for financial success. So, start today by reflecting on your financial behaviors and making a plan to improve them. With determination and hard work, you can create the financial future you desire.